Hey friends, it's Lena from Wisco Bujo and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these adorable mini vellum folders. So these two folders are actually from OMJ Creates. They create these little folders to hold their junk journal grab bag kits on Etsy, so I'll put the link in the comments below. But as you can see, these little folders have tons of pockets, so it's perfect for stuffing it with goodies. So today I'm going to show you how to fold your own, and the awesome thing is that there is no glue or cutting involved at all. All you will need is an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of vellum paper, and it's optional, but you can also use a scoring board like I do here. So the first thing you're going to do is score 1.5 inches on both sides of the paper the long way, so the 11-inch way. If you don't have a scoreboard, you can just use a ruler and measure out 1.5 inches on both sides. Otherwise, you can completely eyeball it. Now you will fold both flaps inwards at the score lines. Once you are done folding inwards, your paper should look like this. Both flaps should be facing inwards on the same side. Now we're going to flip our paper over on the side that doesn't have the flaps. Then from the top of the paper, fold the paper down about 1.5 inches away from the bottom. I don't really measure this part, I kind of just eyeball it, but you can measure 1.5 from the bottom to be precise. You can see here that the top side is where the flaps are. Now with that bottom 1.5 piece left over, we're going to fold up over the top flap. Now we're going to pull that top flap out over the bottom flap. I slowed this part down for you guys, but you're going to tuck that top flap into the squares. So tuck both sides in both of those squares. The squares act as mini pockets to hold the whole piece together. After I tuck the flap in the squares, I try to smooth it out, but usually no matter how well you fold your pocket folder, it will still have a little bit of bunching. Lastly, we're going to fold our paper in half, making sure that the square pocket flaps are on the inside of the folder. This is optional for your mini vellum folder, but you can tuck the square flaps in to make a triangle pocket. And there you have it. You have a mini vellum folder with tons of pockets that required no gluing and no cutting at all. This mini pocket folder measures at about 2.75 inches wide and a little over 4.5 inches long. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is decorating the front and the back of the folder. I sped up this part of the video for you all, so I will check back in at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the lo-fi tunes for now. Using a little stamped label, I'm just going to show you all where you can put all the types of items in this pocket. So you can stick some items in the front if you want to be part of the design. You can stick into the side pockets. You can stick it into that long pocket on the inside or the little triangle pockets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!